How to manifest anything, 10 steps to success. Hit the subscribe button. Life is so beautiful, manifest your dream life. Welcome to our video on how to manifest anything, 10 steps to success. Meditation with a deep in thought of your future dream life. The power of manifestation is a fascinating concept. It's about turning your dreams and desires into reality. Sit in a dark room without noise. In this video, we will explore 10 steps that can help you harness the power of manifestation and achieve your goals. While sitting down, calm your thoughts and breath through your nose. Step 1. Clarify your desires. It will help to write down goals. Start by clarifying what you truly desire in your thoughts. Write down your goals and be specific. Start by clarifying what you truly desire. Step 2. Believe in yourself. Always be confident in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Self-confidence is the foundation of manifestation. Manifestation is energy. Feel the energy flow through you. Step 3. Visualize your success. Visualizing your goals is part of the key components to manifesting your dream life. Create a vivid mental image of your success. Visualize it with passion and detail. Feel the passion within you. Step 4. Set clear intentions. Setting clear intentions with feeling it. Set clear intentions. Your intentions act as a roadmap to your desires. Be positive with your intentions. Step 5. Take action. Be the person taking steps towards their goals. Manifestation isn't about wishful thinking. It's about taking action. Don't be like everyone else. Step 6. Cultivate positive energy. Practicing meditation and gratitude throughout the day is also a key part. Cultivate positive energy through practices like meditation and gratitude. Always show gratitude for what you have now and watch it blossom to your dream life. Step 7. Remove doubt and limiting beliefs. You will be breaking through barriers. Identify and eliminate self-doubt and limiting beliefs that hold you back. Never give up on yourself. Step 8. Stay patient and persistent. There will always be challenges. Success takes time. Stay patient and persistent on your journey. This is not an overnight practice, it will take time. Step 9. Seek support and guidance. Look for a mentor or maybe people with your like-mindedness for advice. Don't be afraid to seek support and guidance from mentors or friends. When times get tough, finding guidance from groups of people or a mentor will get you to what you are looking for. Step 10. Express gratitude. Thank you. Always express gratitude for what you have and what's on its way. Gratitude is showing love for what you have and what is on its way. At times, celebrate the success that's going to happen because it will come. Remember, manifestation is a powerful tool. With these 10 steps, you can manifest anything you set your mind to. I would love to help you get to your desired future. Leave a comment and ask me anything, and I would love to hear about what you're going through. Thank you for watching. How to manifest anything. 10 steps to success. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspirational content. Never give up. Click the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Do you meditate every day?